Hey there and welcome to Motor.hub. Before a few days I have uploaded a video awareing about the top 3 safest SUVs of India. Today it's going to be again of the same kind but in a different way. Yes, I am gonna mention about the top 3 safest hatchbacks of India. So let's begin. So the first car on our list, which is the third most safest hatchback of India, is the Tata Tiago. It scores 12.52 points out of 17 points for adult occupant safety and secured 4 star, while it scores 34.15 points out of 49 points, securing 3 star for child occupant safety. Now moving to the second car on our list, and it is none other than the German VW Polo. It scores 12.54 point out of 17 point and secured 4 star for adult occupant safety, while it scores 29.91 points out of 49 points and got 3 star for child occupant safety. Now talking about the most safest hatchback of India, which is in fact the second most safest car of India, and it is none other than the Indian based car Tata LSeries. It secured 16.13 point out of 17 points and secured 5-star rating from global NCAP, and it's got 29 points out of 49 points for child occupant safety and secured 3 star. The first 5 star which I mentioned is for adult occupant safety. So this was all about this video. Before ending this video, I want to mention that the ratings which I mentioned is given to us by global NCAP by doing the crash test of the car at 64 kilometers per hour. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you love this video, like and share the same and subscribe to our channel and press the notification button to get our latest updates. Even do not forget to follow us on our social media handles, that is Instagram and Telegram. So thank you for watching this video once again, guys. Bye bye. Hope you like this video.